Introducing the HONOR MAGIC5 LITE, the smartphone that's redefining your mobile experience. Imagine a device that not only keeps up with your pace, but enhances every moment with cutting-edge technology and sleek design. First, let's talk about the display. With its stunning high-resolution AMOLED screen, every image and video bursts with vibrant colors and sharp detail. And thanks to its fast refresh rate, you can enjoy smooth scrolling and seamless transitions, perfect for gaming, streaming, or just browsing through your favorite apps. Now on to the camera. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or snapping quick selfies, the versatile camera setup ensures you're always ready to capture life's moments in incredible detail. Multiple lenses mean you have the right tool for every shot, making photography fun and intuitive. Tired of constantly searching for a charger? With the HONOR MAGIC5 LITE, worry no more. Its long-lasting battery life means you can stay connected all day without interruption. And when you do need a power boost, fast charging gets you back in action in no time. And let's not forget the design. Sleek, slim, and sophisticated, the HONOR MAGIC5 LITE is crafted for comfort and style. It fits perfectly in your hand, making it a pleasure to use throughout the day. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Discover the HONOR MAGIC5 LITE today and experience the perfect blend of innovation and elegance. Visit our website or your nearest store now and elevate your smartphone game to a whole new level.